for our pre-configured solutions, those are going to be more what you think about when you think about direct view LED. Those are going to be mounted on the wall. Our pre-configured solutions are in set sizes and set aspect ratios and set resolutions. And that's to make it as easy as possible. So you don't need to worry about a configurator, what's the array or anything like that. It's going to be a single part number, and it's going to be as easy as specifying, let's say, a commercial display. So we have 1080p series, we have 4K series, we have 136-inch, 163-inch, and then you can get above into the 200s, whether it's 217 or 231-inch. So I mentioned single part number. It's a single part number that's going to include everything from the cabinets, the mounts, the tiles, 5% spare tiles are also included, all the cabling, everything that you need for a successful direct view LED. And again, want to make it as easy as possible so you know it's already going to be 16:9 and it's going to be at a standard resolution. So when you're putting content to it, you're not going to have to worry about, oh, do I have a player that's capable of doing these custom resolutions or anything like that? It's going to be about as plug and play as you can get. I mentioned it also because it's all in one, everything's going to be pre-mapped. So when you take it out of the box, you'll have the wiring diagrams and everything that's going to show you how to wire it up. But there's no software needed. There's no mapping needed, no stitching needed. It's all being done for you ahead of time. And then all the tiles are already calibrated. All the spares are already calibrated. So there's nothing that you need to do there either. The other benefit of the pre-configured is that they're stocked here in the US. So in our California warehouse, we have all of our sizes are in stock, ready for quick shipment. And then we'll talk about it a little more later, but with the purchase of every ViewSonic Direct View LED also comes like an on-site like guided installation. So a member of our field solutions team will also help walk through that installation with you to make sure that it's going to be as successful as possible.